Hi everyone, I'm back in my kitchen today to introduce our latest product to you, which is our Superseed Nutrient Cream. I've got my friend Anna here with me today, who is already a Superseed customer, so I'm particularly excited to show it to you. The Superseed Nutrient Cream has actually come about from customer demand. So we had Superseed customers writing to us telling us that the oil on its own perhaps wasn't hydrating enough, so that they needed to seal it in. So applying a cream on top of the oil for an extra layer of hydration and really to protect their skin against the elements. That's particularly true coming into winter. So I'm going to demonstrate this technique on Anna for you today, and I hope you enjoy it. We've already cleansed her skin using the Superseed cleansing oil. So we're going to go straight in with the Superseed facial oil, which, as I'm sure you know if you're a Superseed customer already, is a blend of 21 seed oils. It's fragrance free, so it's perfect for anyone who's suffering from redness or has really dry skin, sensitivity, perhaps flaky skin. It won't irritate, and it's really, really nourishing. So spend some time massaging that into the skin, like so. There we go. So that's the oil, and you can spend a little bit longer massaging that in if you have time. So the Superseed Nutrient Cream, it's also fragrance free. It also has the 21 seed oils in there. It smells a little bit similar to the Superseed facial oil, as you would expect. It's a very rich texture, but it's matte when you apply it to the skin, so it makes it brilliant for using under makeup. It's very light, and as Anna will feel, it has a lovely cooling feel on the skin. So as you apply it, it cools the skin, which is really lovely if you suffer from redness, or perhaps your skin heats up. Feel as you apply it. Good, isn't it? And you can see the matte effect that it has. Actually, Anna's skin is not looking greasy, but it's feeling, I can feel it's feeling really hydrated, like it's had a big drink of water.
Boost.
Yeah, exactly. So coming into winter, when it's cold outside and you've got central heating blazing inside, it can be really drying on the skin. So I always pop a little bit of this on my skin before I go outside, and it really protects it. So, yes, touch it away. Does it feel good?
It's kind of matte. It's almost silky matte.
Exactly, sort of velvety. Yeah. So that is our Superseed Nutrient Cream. I hope you've enjoyed that, and please do subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Bye.